This video goes over question 4 of the definite integrals assignment. Evaluate the integral. So this is pronounced as the integral from 3 to 4 of 7x squared dx. So we're going to go ahead and anti-derive this. In here, this is little f of x, and the thing between the integral sign and the dx, that's called the integrand. So we're going to do 7 times x squared raised the exponent by 1 is x to the third power, and then we divide by the new exponent, which is 3. Then we put in from 3 to 4 on a little vertical line here. Now, I've had students ask me, can we cancel these 3's? Well, no, we can't, because this 3 is the exponent on the x, and this is just division by 3. So normally I would write this as 7/3 x cubed, then we're going from 3 to 4. So to get the area between this parabola and the x-axis from 3 to 4, we're going to evaluate at the upper limit 4. So 7 times 4 cubed over 3, and subtract the antiderivative evaluated at the lower limit, so that's 7 times 3 cubed over 3. Now normally I would jump on this and say, well, this can be 3 squared, where I cancel one of the 3's, but we're going to have a denominator of 3, so I might as well just keep it as a common denominator. So this is 7 the cube, or 4 cubed is 64 thirds minus 7 times 27 thirds. And you might go run into your calculator right now, but 7 times 6 is 42. Well, this is really 7 times 60, so that's going to be 42 times 10, or 420. 7 times 4 is 28, so I can add those together and get 448. So this is going to be 448 thirds. 7 times 20 is 140. 7 times 7 is 49. So if I add those two together, I get 189. So minus 189 thirds. And then if I do 448 minus 189, can't subtract here, so I'm going to borrow a 1 from the 4, so this becomes an 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. And then this is 3 minus 8. Can't do that, so I'm going to borrow 1 here. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So my final answer is 259 thirds. Now there's a trick. If I add up the digits and it's divisible by 3, then I can divide by 3. That's 7 plus 9 is 16. Not divisible by 3, so that's my exact answer. So simplified fraction, 259 thirds. Check that answer. Fantastic. Now we're going to do it 2 ways in the calculator. So I've got f of x here in a graph page, 7x squared. Now that's going to be a vertically stretched upward facing parabola, and we're only going from 3 to 4, so I don't need this whole x for the window, but I do need quite a bit more vertical. If I square 4, that's 16. 16 times 7 is going to be 70 plus 49, so somewhere around 120, 130. So menu for 1, I'm just going to go -1 to say 5 by 1s, and then go like -20 to 140 by 10s for my vertical. And I got a pretty good window here. And then I want to get the area between here, or let's see, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. So menu, 6 for analyze graph, 7 for integral, and then 3 to 4. And I get a nice, pretty shaded picture here of what it looks like, and I get a decimal answer. This is really 86 plus a third. So we're going to go Control Doc for plus page to a calculator. Then we're going to do Shift plus to get a definite integral. 3, tab 4, tab. I have my function in, but I'm just going to go ahead and put in the function. I could have put f of x here, dx, and I get 259 over 3. Do we want to check our decimal answer? 86 plus 1/3 times 3. So that's 259, so it's 259 thirds. And that concludes this video.